Now, the Trump administrator's chief negotiator, Brendan Lynch, he's in India for a very crucial round of trade discussions. The India-US trade come against the backdrop of Washington's decision to impose a whopping 50% tariff on Indian goods. Now, this is a move which New Delhi has slammed as unfair, unjustified and unreasonable. This visit is being seen as an attempt to ease the tensions between both the countries. Officials are very careful to stress that these are not the sixth round of the formal negotiations. Rather, they are an initial meeting. Now, this is something which will decide the future course of action. India and the United States of America have so far held 5 rounds of talks. The 6th proposed last month. The tariffs were announced last month. And then we saw how there was a tug of war taking place between India and the United States of America. India's exports have been affected following the imposition of 50% tariffs on shipments to the United States of America. Last week, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had reacted very warmly to US President Donald Trump's positive assessment of the trade talks between both the countries. He expressed confidence that the ongoing negotiations will pave the way for unlocking limitless position. There is a partnership that has taken place between both the countries and that should continue.
मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं। मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी। दबाव कितना ही क्यों न आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे। दुनिया में आर्थिक स्वार्थ वाली राजनीति सब कोई अपना करने में लगा है। उसे हम भली भांति देख रहे हैं। मेरे छोटे छोटे दुकानदार भाई बहनों से कहूंगा, मेरे किसान भाइयों से कहूंगा, मेरे पशुपालक भाई बहन से कहूंगा, और मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं। मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी। दबाव कितना ही क्यों न आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे।
मेरी स्वदेशी की व्याख्या बहुत सिंपल है। कंपनी किसी भी देश से क्यों न आई हो, नाम किसी भी देश का क्यों न हो, लेकिन वो हिंदुस्तान में ही बना होना चाहिए। पैसा दुनिया के किसी भी देश ने लगाया हो, लेकिन पसीना मेरे देश के नौजवानों का होना चाहिए। उस जो भी मेड इन इंडिया होगा, उसमें मेरे भारत की मिट्टी की महक होनी चाहिए। आप मुझे वादा करिए, हम स्वदेशी खरीदेंगे। वोकल फॉर लोकल, लोकल के लिए वोकल हो, इसके लिए हम सबका प्रयास देश को मजबूत करेगा।
I don't think we have. I've been very disappointed that India would be buying so much oil, as you know, from Russia, and I let them know that. We put a very big tariff on India, 50% tariff, very high tariff. I get along very well with Modi, as you know. He's great. He was here a couple of months ago. In fact, we went to the Rose Garden, and the grass was so soaking wet. It was such a terrible place to have a news conference. I said, well, let's use a beautiful white stone emblematic of the White House, okay? And it's been very well received. But we had a news conference on the grass. That was my last news conference I had on the grass because everybody sunk in. You probably sunk in. Every reporter out there, they ruined their shoes. We made that change. It's been a really well-received change. Yeah, I always will. I'll always be friends with Modi. He's great. Prime Minister, he's great. I'll always be friends, but I just don't like what he's doing at this particular moment. But India and the United States have a special relationship. There's nothing to worry about.
मैं इससे ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करूँगा। इसमें जो भी इसमें बात करने के लिए अगर विदेश मंत्रालय नहीं तो हमारा वाणिज्य मंत्रालय।
इस साल के